Hello students, welcome again in our English grammar class for 12th class, and our topic is voice. Students, as you know, in previous classes we have cleared some important points of voice, and today we are going to discuss on some other rules of changing voice. These are the rules. Let's start. First, passive of infinitives. Infinitive is to. For changing the infinitive into passive voice, this form is used. Which form? To be plus third form. To be plus third form. Example, I want to buy a car. It is inactive voice. I want to buy a car. So in passive voice we change it. I want a car to be bought. I want a car to be bought. Next is I have to do it. It has to be done by me. It has to be done by me. It is our first point. I think it is clear. Next is sentences which start with it is time to. It is time. Related to it is time. The form is it is time plus 4 plus object plus to be plus third form. It is time plus 4 plus object plus to be and plus third form. With the example we clear it. It is time to prepare the notes at home. It is time for the notes to be prepared. It is time. We use for before object. The notes to be prepared. It is time for the notes to be prepared. Next is it is time to say prayers. So in passive voice, it is time for prayer to be said. It is time for prayer to be said. Clear? Next is passive voice of sentences containing prepositions. There are some verbs with prepositions, and while changing into passive voice, what will we do? When there is a preposition after the verb, it will be kept with the verb while changing the sentence into passive voice. We can't remove it with the main verb. Example, he was looking at the picture. Looking at is preposition with look. So the picture was being looked at by him. The picture was being looked at by him. Next is he spoke to me. To is preposition with spoke. I was spoken to by him. Next point is passive of verbs containing two objects. When we have two objects, what will we do? In active voice, if a verb has two objects, either of them can be retained in the passive. Either of object we can change as subject. Example, my father gave me a cycle. I was given a cycle by my father. Or a cycle was given to me by my father. First is I, me change into I, gave a second form. So we use was given a cycle by my father. And next is a cycle was given to me by my father. Both are right. We can use any method. Next is she teaches us English. We are taught English by her. We are taught English by her, and in other, English is taught to us by her. English is taught to us by her. Next is use of vague subject. Our 4 point is use of vague subject means such as people say, people believe, people assume, or they say, they believe, they assume. In such condition, we use it is in place of people or they. It is said, it is believed, or it is assumed. Example: people say that the earth is round. People say that the earth is round. So we can change it. It is believed that the earth is round. It is believed that the earth is round, or the earth is said to be round. The earth is said to be round. They believe that Ramu is a good teacher. We can change it. It is believed that Ramu is a good teacher. It is believed that Ramu is a good teacher, or Ramu is believed to be a good teacher. Our next point is fifth point, use of prepositions other than by. Means other than by, we can use other preposition in some sentences. There are some verbs with which we don't use by, and in place of by we use some respective prepositions, such as satisfied with, interested in, you should learn it. Before taking example, we should learn it also. Interested in, known to, content in, surprised at, pleased with, invited to, shocked at. In place of by, we use these prepositions with these main verbs. Example: this jug contains milk. In this sense, we change it in passive voice. Milk is contained in this jug. Milk is contained in this jug. That news surprised me. I was surprised at that news. I was surprised at. We use here at in place of by. Next is I know him very well. He is known to me very well. He is known to me very well. That's all.